I'm Jennifer and welcome to Stitch Tutorials with Celtic Knot Crochet. Today I'll be showing you how to make a hidden single crochet decrease. This is a very useful stitch when you're making stuffed animals with crochet. Normally, when you're trying to make different shapes, you need to decrease to make a curved or rounded body. This is the traditional way of doing a single crochet decrease. It's also called single crochet two together. You insert your hook under both loops, yarn over, pull up a loop. Then you insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, and you yarn over and pull through all 3. But this creates quite a bunch of gaps, and when you're working with small projects or thin yarn, these gaps can really distract from the overall nice look of your project. So instead, you can do a single crochet hidden decrease. So here's just a couple single crochets for you. And now let's do the hidden single crochet decrease. You're going to insert your hook only through the front loop of the next stitch, and then insert your hook through the front loop of the stitch after that. Yarn over, pull through those 2 loops, then yarn over, pull through both loops on your hook. And now you have a much smaller hole here and a much cleaner look than what we had back here, where it's very bulky and kind of stands out. This one makes it almost disappear. So I'll do it one more time for you. Here are the 2 stitches that we're going to use to decrease. I'm going to put my hook through the front loop of the next one, and then through the front loop of the one after that. Yarn over, pull through those 2 loops, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops on my hook. And I have a nice, clean, hidden decrease. Make sure to click to subscribe so you can see more stitch tutorials like this one.